Hello YouTube, this is Asatsu 5 and I just got back from my beach trip. If you follow my Instagram, you know I've been posting a lot of pictures. Never mind the dog. And this is my Jeep Patriot. I call it the beach machine. And I got WeatherTech floor liners and I just want to do kind of a quick review of them. This is the most heavily trafficked area in the Jeep. And although I'm going to have to wash it and vacuum it, with the WeatherTech, you're able to just grab it and you can dump it out, and I can rinse this off. Now look in here, see how little mess that's in there. I still got to vacuum it, but it's not as much as it was. So cut film. Alright, I got my WeatherTech driver's side floor liner, got a water hose. It's probably a little bit more difficult to clean it than what I'm making it. This is just a quick clean. Oh, that's part of my EDC. As you can see, there's still some spots on them, some seashell right there. I just got off work, so I'm dirty. But it is basically clean. So all I'm going to do is reinstall this in my Jeep and do it to the other side. And then tomorrow I'm probably going to take my Jeep through the car wash some of that salt off and vacuum it out. But that's it. That's my review of the WeatherTech. I'm pretty happy with it. Thank you for watching.